Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to Mandy's Tuning. Just wanted to give you guys a little information video on how to change your expansion valve in a 2014 to 2019 Jeep Cherokee. This is a limited. I believe it's a 3.5, 3.6. It's a V6. But hopefully this helps you guys out. I just ran into an issue in a Jeep, and it was leaking Freon. Anyways, long story short, your expansion valve is right here. You have, I'm just going to tell you guys how to do it. I did the job already, and I'm going to show you guys. It's going to have four gaskets O-rings. Okay, these are going to your expansion valve. I used the other one. I bought one from O'Reilly's, but I ended up using the old one. You always should use new parts. This is a Murray expansion valve. Anyways, long story short, in order to get to this, you're going to pull it out by one stud, which is going to be this one. There's a 13 mil. Let's see if I can see it. There we go. Ow, it's kind of hot. So right here, where my finger's at, this is going to be the nut that you remove. Okay. So first things first, if you have a leak and you can't find it, make sure you evacuate the system and you vacuum it out. Because if not, the stuff is very toxic. Freon is just bad. This is one of the newer styles, the YF1234s or the R1234YF. These are the newer style Freons, and vehicles are actually getting away from it now, but it's new to us still. But it's not your typical things. Anyways, so you're gonna pull off that screw. This is gonna be your stud that's gonna attach to the middle. You're gonna pull off that nut. Then there's gonna be two Allen keys. I believe it is, let me get you the size for it. That way you have at least the correct knowledge. It's gonna be a 5/32. Okay. So you're gonna use that. I got this from O'Reilly's, Napa, AutoZone, aka VatoZone, whatever you want to call it, CarQuest, yada yada. Anyways, unless you got tools too. So you're gonna remove those two Allen bolts that are, let me go back over here. I know I'm jumping back and forth. But these two on the outside, those are gonna be Allen. You're gonna remove those and you're gonna be able to pop out your expansion valve. It's very simple. Put a bag over the main line. On the other side, you're gonna remove the gaskets on this main line on the expansion valve side, and when you get to the other side, you're going to get a scribe, one of these, and you're going to gently pick at the O-rings or at the gaskets, and you're going to pick right behind them. Kind of, let's say this is a gasket right here. Pick them back, okay? Simple, self-explanatory, but anyways, replace all that stuff and put it back in reverse order. Don't tighten them very tight for the Allen heads. All right. You don't have to He-Man those things on. Some German spec, good and tight. Okay. Anyways, that should be it. Refill your system. Don't overcharge it. Your pressure ratings. So for the new styles as well, these are reverse threads. Okay. So the typical way righty-tighty, lefty-loosey does not apply. It's going to be the opposite. It's going to be lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. You can get these gauges from eBay, Amazon. I got this one specifically at O'Reilly's as well, just to make sure I did the job correctly, and I got the right parts. So, yep. Anyways, you should be within your field marker on here. Evacuate the system and vacuum it before you fill it up. And yeah, you should be good. So good luck, guys, and see y'all.